Hello guys, Lucia Atienza here and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video is 28th of February 2022, 7 a.m. in the morning. And this is the situation of our street here. This is John Lane, Maryborough, Queensland. I'm taking this video from our window. And this is our downstairs at the back of our house. And yesterday we are working for sandbag just to cover and protect the water to get inside, but it's still useless because the water was coming inside to our house. This is the situation here when I wake up this morning. This is the sandbag that we put yesterday just to protect the water to get inside. Still useless because the water was coming inside to our house downstairs. So now this is the situation inside of our house downstairs with water. I think too many cracks, so that's what happened. That's why the water was coming inside. And this is the part in front of our house. This is what happened in front of our house today, Monday, 7 o'clock in the morning. I wake up and I saw the water surrounded in our house. And now there is some canoe. Hello, good morning. Ah, okay. Papa!
Si habis tindaw ay tawin man daw minsan na ilawon ay celebrity